Soil health is a term widely used in discussions on sustainable agriculture and soil management to describe the general condition of the soil. Soil management is fundamental to all agricultural systems due to loss of organic matter, contamination, compaction, increased salinity, and other harms. Soil health emerged in the early 2000s and today has linkage to the emerging One Health concept, in which the health of humans, animals, and the environment are all connected. The USDA defines soil health as a continued capacity of soils to function as a vital living ecosystem that sustains plants, animals, and humans. There is a broad understanding that soils are not just a support for crops, they also support other essential ecosystem services such as climate regulation, nutrient cycling, flood regulation, carbon sequestration, water purification, and habitats for microorganisms. Soil health involves scales, stakeholders, functions, and assessment tools relevant to soil quality and fertility, and shares some of the policy dimensions of soil security. This understanding expresses the importance of proper soil management to be sustainable for future generations. Soil health is about the living and dynamic nature of the soil. Did you know that 1 teaspoon of soil contains more living microorganisms than people in the world? Typically, there are 100 billion bacteria in 5 grams of soil, and I can tell you, without this biological diversity, there would be no terrestrial life on Earth. Now, you may be asking yourself, how do I measure soil health? A soil health assessment is a determination of how well soils perform all of the functions and how those functions are being preserved for the future. Important, you cannot measure soil health directly by evaluating crop yield, soil fertility, water quality, or other soil parameters. It is necessary to evaluate indicators that have natural or dynamic, biological, physical, or chemical properties. Overall, soil health indicators are measurable properties that allow interpretation on a relative scale by monitoring changes over time in relation to standard reference values. Standard values can be soils from native ecosystems or non-degraded soils. A soil health indicator should be management sensitive, time sensitive, interpretable, and useful. Here you can see some of the most used soil health indicators. Are you curious? So stay tuned on our next video. We are going to talk about biological soil health indicators, and I'll see you there.